Okie dokes, welcome back to the web show. This is version 2 of this video because the first version was considered too raunchy for Christy because she has secrets. Ooh. Who wants to know what her secrets are? That's me. No. I do. Do you?
No.
Camera says yes.
Camera definitely says no, trust me.
What secrets? Give me a topic, Christy. Pick a topic. Pick one of your loves and I can talk about what we were talking about before. Christy loves...
I like hands.
You love hand jobs? Oh, Hanson! Hanson.
I didn't say no. What?
She also didn't say no to the first one. Fellas, hit her up. 19.
Shut up.
1 year beyond legal.
Shut up.
Been on Girls Gone Wild.
Shut up.
Been on Cheese Gone Wild. Yeah, it's a show where you flash your cheese. What else has she done? Many a men. Just kidding.
Am I coming in?
Yes. She comes all the time.
Shut up.
Ah, I'm so funny. I'm hilarious.
You are far from hilarious.
I'm far from ugly.
Do you watch College Humor?
Yes, all the time.
I love Hardly
Peace out.
Working and wait, why?
Okay, why keep talking? What else do you love?
And Jake and Amir.
Oh, I love Jake and Amir.
I think Jake's so hot and Amir's just hysterical and he kind of reminds me of myself, which
I
is
think
really
Jake and Amir is
sad.
the greatest thing ever.
It really is. Like
The videos in there are so
I've
fun.
watched every single one of them. I like watch them over
Me
and
too.
over again.
I'll have them on my iPod.
You guys?
Yeah.
How?
Like podcasts.
Do whatever. I forgot what I was saying.
Pulling into my street.
This isn't your street yet. That's your street.
Ew. Oh no, a giant bird's in the way. Nom, 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 nom.
Jesus Christ, you're retarded.
Shut up, Pooey. She put me off, yo. That's so harsh. I
Can I park in your driveway?
If you want, if you can get out of it, you can.
That's stupid. I can get
That's debatable. Into my house.